Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. I went back and the Arctic cat here, I redid it. I put in a more powerful motor and better ESC. Let's see if we can. Nope, I'll have to hand launch it. But it's still got more powerful than it had before. So let's if it was on water, I'm sure if it was a slicker surface, I think it probably would be fine. It might take off on its belly. So let's go back over here. I have a little more room, and we'll turn around and throw it into the wind like you're supposed to. All right, let's see what we can do here now. There. That's much faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't even have to maintain full speed now, or full throttle now. Yeah. Definitely not a rocket ship, that's for sure. Not bad at all. I had a 1400 kV in there before with a 20 amp ESC. Now I have a 1200 kV with a 40 amp. Did I say, what did I say, 40? I had 20 amp before. Now I have a now I have a 40 amp ESC, so a little more punch. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely not a, you know, I like to say definitely not a rocket ship, but hey, she flies. You get enough speed. Yeah, I had to provide all my own electronics and everything, so it's not a plug and play. Well, there you go, folks. That's the Remaiden of the Arctic cat with the 1200 kV motor, a 6x4 prop, APC prop, and a 40 amp e-flite speed controller. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Much better performance now. Thank you so much.